Greg with McQuillan Bros. So today we're here taking a look at what we got. This homeowner does have a water softener installed, but this is an older style. It does have a Timeclock head. What we have in here is the brine tank. If we take a look inside, we can see that he has the pellet salt in there. That is the incorrect salt to be using. We'll go over that here a little bit more in a minute, but also as we come through, take a look at the softener itself. Some of these pipes, how tight they are together, riding on each other. Up here, we're going to be remedying that whole situation. We're going to be going with our platinum, or our best water treatment system in this house. What that is going to include is a water softener, a carbon filter, and a sediment filter. It takes care of all the chlorine and hardness. Anything that is in your water will help extend out the life of your water heater. It'll help extend the life of all of your plumbing fixtures, including your toilets and faucets. So with a standard water softener, like a system like this, it does work. It does remove all of your hardness, but there are things in the water that it will not remove. There's always things, there's a lot of chlorine, they do put ammonia in your water, and that will actually shorten the life of the water softener itself when you're trying to use a softener to remove iron or to remove chlorine. So what we do on our platinum system is we install a carbon filter before that, and that will remove all the chlorine out of the system. It'll extend out the life of the softener itself. So when we first came in here, we had the old water softener that was in here, and we know everything that we talked about that was wrong with the water heater. Got most everything done here. Just do have a few kind of final touch-up, clean-up things here to do yet, but for the most part, most of the work is done. A lot of the piping I cleaned up, and if you look over there in the corner by the water softener and the filtration system that we put in, a lot of the piping that we had that was really close together, it has all been changed out and is a whole lot cleaner looking. So this is all new piping coming over. Even the old lines that were coming down for the basement bathroom here that were coming down really low, I've cleaned those up, got those up high here. Now that we got all this done, the homeowner will definitely notice a huge difference in the water quality. Going from the sediment filter into the carbon filter will be the biggest noticeable difference in the water. The carbon filters remove all of the chlorine. It's going to remove any VOCs, or there's a lot of hundreds of different compounds that can be in the water, and the carbon filter will remove all of that. And from the taste and the odor of the water, you will not have any more of that. The water softener, the last one was not working correctly, so this one here, they will notice that the water will be soft again. And then with the water heater, we did remedy all the issues here, like I was saying earlier, with the CO that was backdrafting out of the vent hood. So we won't have any dangers of that CO poisoning in the house.